Stove factories don't want you to know this. If you have trouble cleaning your stove burners, don't worry, as a friend taught me this wonderful recipe to remove dirt from any surface, especially metal and iron. This recipe is very easy to prepare and uses ingredients you likely already have at home. The person who taught me how to make this recipe was a friend who works in a Chinese restaurant. He told me that they use it there so they don't waste time washing up or wasting water cleaning the stove. So, I'll show you the recipe now. In a glass container, I will add 500 milliliters of very hot water. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar is used to dissolve all the dirt. The next ingredient will be 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which will loosen all the dirt stuck to the metal. Before I continue, let me know which city you're watching from so I can say hello to you in the next video. Today's greeting is to Jennifer McAniston from Texas. Thank you for watching each video. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of dish soap, as this will help to rinse and remove stains. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of 40 volume hydrogen peroxide, but if you don't have it, you can also use 30, 20, or 10. This recipe is 100% effective, and the result will surprise you. To finish the preparation, we will add 2 tablespoons full of kitchen salt. Salt has a great cleaning power that will remove all the dirt and grease. When you mix all the ingredients, you will notice that the water will become very white. I will let it rest for 5 minutes so that all the ingredients can mix well. Once the 5 minutes have passed, I will take the burners. Look how tarnished and darkened they are. I left these stoves for a few days without cleaning so I could show you the recipe. Now, what we are going to do is submerge our burners in the container. We'll add another 500 milliliters of water, and then I'll pour the mixture on the burners until they are moist. I will cover with a towel and let it rest for 5 hours. During this time, the product will take effect, and you can take advantage of the time to do whatever you have pending. It's been 5 hours, and it's done. I will remove the burners and look at them. All that remains is to use a scourer, and you will see that it will leave the burners very clean. This is such a wonderful thing because it got the burners super clean. I'm not even using a lot of force, and it's removing the dirt very gently. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.